Alright, so in this video, I'm going to solve the equation 2 to the power of x minus 5 is equal to 3 to the power of x plus 1. So to solve this, I'm going to first start by taking the natural log, or ln, on both sides. So I get ln 2 to the power of x minus 5 is equal to ln 3 to the power of x plus 1. Now, if I have something in the form ln a to the power of b, I can move b to the front. So this turns into b times ln a. So for ln 2 to the power of x minus 5, I can move x minus 5 to the front. So I get x minus 5 times ln 2 is equal to, for ln 3 to the power of x plus 1, I can do the same thing. I can move x plus 1 to the front, so this is equal to x plus 1 times ln 3. So now from here, I'm going to distribute ln 2. So x times ln 2 is just x ln 2, and then negative 5 times ln 2 is negative 5 times ln 2. So I get x ln 2 minus 5 ln 2 is equal to, now I'm going to distribute ln 3. So x times ln 3 is just x ln 3, and then 1 times ln 3 is just ln 3, so I just have plus ln 3 at the end over there. Now what we want to do is we want to bring all the terms with x on the same side so that I can factor out x and solve for it. So I'm going to bring x ln 3 to my left hand side, and I'm going to move 5 ln 2 to my right hand side. So to do that, I'm going to subtract x ln 3 on both sides. So I get x times ln 2 minus x times ln 3 is equal to 5 ln 2 plus ln 3. I got that by adding 5 ln 2 on both sides. So now for my left hand side, I'm going to factor out x. So I get x times ln 2 minus ln 3, which is equal to 5 ln 2 plus ln 3. Now, we obviously want to isolate x. So to do that, I'm going to divide both sides by ln 2 minus ln 3. So now I get x is equal to 5 ln 2 plus ln 3 over ln 2 minus ln 3. So now I'm going to write down the values of ln 2 and ln 3. So ln 2 is equal to 0.693, and ln 3 is equal to 1.099. So these are the values of ln 2 and ln 3, and now I'm going to plug these in. So I get x is equal to 5 times 0.693 plus ln 3, which is 1.099, and I have this over ln 2 minus ln 3, so 0.693 minus 1.099. Now, 5 times ln 2, or 0.693, is equal to 3.465. So I have this plus 1.099 over 0.693 minus 1.099. So now 3.465 plus 1.099 is equal to 4.564, and I have this over 0.693 minus 1.099. So 0.693 minus 1.099 is equal to negative 0.406. So now the final thing to do is to divide these two. So 4.564 divided by negative 0.406 is equal to negative 11.241. So this is the solution to this equation. If you haven't already, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and share this to any of your friends or family, or even show this problem to your teacher. They'll be impressed. Thank you.